In this video, you are going to see how to insert a timeline in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started. Let us go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a line shape and hold down the Shift key and drag it like this. Go to Shape Outline, go to White. I can change the white from here. Go to Shape Outline, change the outline color. Again go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a line shape, hold down the Shift key and drag it like this. Go to Shape Outline, go to White, change the white from here. Go to Shape Outline and choose this color. Go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a rectangle shape and hold down the Shift key and drag it like this and place it over here. Double click over here and let us write here 2020. Select it, go to Shape Fill, change the fill color. Go to Shape Outline, make it no outline. Now select this one and hold down the Ctrl key and select this one. Press Ctrl G to group. Now press Ctrl D to duplicate and put it like this. If you want to rotate it, press Ctrl D and rotate it like this. Place it over here. If you want to change the text direction, click on it. Click on right button, go to group, make it ungroup. Now select only this one and rotate it like this. And again group it. Press Ctrl G to group and press Ctrl D to duplicate and place it like this. Now you can change the color and the year very easily. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.